In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill Excel blanks with the value above using Go to Special. Open Microsoft Excel from your Start menu and make sure the workbook with your sample data is already open on the screen. Once you're in the worksheet, go to the Region column and click Cell A2. This is the first cell in the range we want Excel to check. Now, hold Ctrl plus Shift on your keyboard and press the down arrow. That extends the selection from A2 all the way to the last row in this region list, down through A13. At this point, the full region range is highlighted, and this is the exact range Go to Special will scan for empty cells. Next, press Ctrl plus G to open the Go to dialog box. In the lower left area of that window, click Special. This opens the Go to Special window, where you can tell Excel what kind of cells to select inside the range you already highlighted. Choose blanks, then click OK. As soon as you do that, Excel closes the dialog and keeps only the empty cells selected from within the original region range. The active cell will be the first blank cell in that selection, and you can see its reference in the name box at the top left of Excel. Without clicking anywhere else, press the equals key once. That starts a formula in the active blank cell. Then press the up arrow one time. Excel now inserts a reference to the cell directly above that blank. So instead of typing anything manually, you're telling Excel to pull the value from the row right above each empty cell. Do not press Enter here because that would apply the formula to only the active cell. Instead, hold Ctrl and press Enter. Excel pushes that formula into every blank cell that was selected. Each empty cell now fills with the value from the cell above it. In this sheet, North fills down through rows 3 and 4, South fills through rows 6 and 7, East fills through rows 9 and 10, and West fills through rows 12 and 13. Click one of the cells you just filled to confirm what happened. You'll see a formula that points to the cell above, rather than a fixed typed value. The region column is now fully populated with no blanks remaining, and each originally empty cell contains a formula referencing the row above, so the list is ready to use. If this helps, hit like and subscribe for more